I should have plus, past participle. I should have studied. I should have listened. I should have prepared. I should have proofread. I should have practiced. I should have spoken more. I should have participated. I should have worked harder. I should have used websites. I should have done homework. I should have double-checked. I should have used exercises. I should have paid attention. I should have reviewed goals. I should have asked for help. I should have asked for help. I should have watched videos. I should have asked for help. I should have attended class. I should have done exercises. I should have stayed focused. I should have revised essays. I should have followed rules. I should have attended events. I should have attended events. I should have used flashcards. I should have asked questions. I should have attended events. I should have joined the club. I should have arrived on time. I should have learned grammar. I should have brought my book. I should have practiced essays. I should have focused on goals. I should have improved reading. I should have taken initiative. I should have reviewed grammar. I should have attended classes. I should have checked spelling. I should have written the essay. I should have practiced writing. I should have read instructions. I should have practiced writing. I should have reviewed mistakes. I should have practiced reading. I should have focused on skills. I should have revised regularly. I should have attended workshops. I should have asked for feedback. I should have asked for examples. I should have learned more words. I should have taken better notes. I should have completed the task. I should have reviewed regularly. I should have reviewed the lesson. I should have practiced with apps. I should have practiced listening. I should have practiced listening. I should have organized materials. I should have taken care of notes. I should have used learning games. I should have used the dictionary. I should have practiced every day. I should have reviewed vocabulary. I should have finished the project. I should have joined a study group. I should have used learning videos. I should have joined a study group. I should have used learning videos. I should have completed assignments. I should have memorized the formula. I should have used online resources. I should have attended the workshop. I should have practiced summarizing. I should have revised pronunciation. I should have used resources wisely. I should have focused on weaknesses. I should have focused on vocabulary. I should have used apps consistently. I should have practiced with a tutor. I should have focused on weak points. I should have used learning software. I should have asked for clarification. I should have paid attention to rules. I should have practiced with partners. I should have practiced pronunciation. I should have taken advantage of apps. I should have taken the quiz seriously. I should have practiced with a partner. I should have reviewed before the test. I should have focused on pronunciation. I should have revised before submitting. I should have understood the assignment. I should have paid attention to details. I should have learned sentence structure. I should have attended immersion programs. I should have joined a conversation group. I should have learned sentence construction. I should have practiced with native speakers. I should have practiced in front of a mirror.